Good morning, Honorable SSRs and my dear friends. Today, I would like to speak on the topic Role of NCC, the National Cadet Corps, which plays a significant role in shaping the youth of our nation. NCC is tri-service organization comprising the Army, Navy, and Air Force aimed at developing character, discipline, leadership, and a spirit of national service amongst the young students. The primary objectives of NCC is to create disciplined and responsible citizens. Through regular drills, camps, and training activities, cadets learn punctuality, teamwork, and time management. These qualities not only help in defense services but also in civil life. NCC act as platform that transforms ordinary students into confident and capable individuals. Another important role of NCC is leadership development. Cadets are given opportunities to command parades, lead teams, and organize events. This practical exposure enhances decision making ability, confidence, and communication skills. These leadership qualities are essential for nation building and are highly valued in armed forces. NCC also contributes significantly to national integration through participation in camps such as Republic Day Camp and National Integration Camp. NCC also plays a major role in social service. Cadets actively participate in blood donation camps, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, tree plantation drives, and disaster relief. From defense perspective, NCC serves as a feeder organization for armed forces. It motivates young individuals to join Army, Navy, and Air Force by providing basic military training and exposure to service life. In conclusion, NCC is not just an extracurricular activity but a powerful institution that shapes responsible citizens and future leaders. It instills discipline, patriotism, and self confidence among youth while preparing them for challenges in both military and civilian life. Thank you.